In this video, I'm about to show you guys how to buy Solana meme coin on Telegram bot. So let's get start the video. So here you can see in this article there are the 6 Telegram bot to trade meme coin on Solana. So the first Telegram channel is Snapperbot and Torsion bot, which is the best all among them. And here are the key feature for like benefit: easy to use interface, fast execute for orders, limit and order capability, and token price tracking. And you can see just you have to simply tap on the buy and it will ask for your pair like Sol to USDT. Just simply select the network and then enter your USDT amount, and that Sol meme coin will be added to your Telegram bot wallet. The following you can easily choose the one of them and simply buy the Sol on it. So that's it. See you in the next video very soon.